Now in this section, let us discuss about representation of rational numbers on a number line. Okay, suppose for example minus 1 by 2 needs to be represented on a number line. How can we represent it? Let us see. So first draw a number line, okay, and let us label this number line. Okay, so in the center it will be 0, in the right it will be 1, 2, 3 and so on, and the left side the negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so we have represented the integers on this number line. Now where does this minus 1 by 2 will exist in this number line? Yes, in between minus 1 and 0. Okay, so this is where minus 1 by 2 is represented. Now what about 1 by 2 then? Yes, it will be lying in between 0 and 1. So this will be 1 by 2. Okay, so this is how the numbers are represented on a number line. Okay, what will be the number which will be lying in between minus 1 and minus 2? It will be minus 1.5, right? So this is a decimal number. This can also be converted into fractions, which is minus 15 by 10. 5 3 is 5 2 minus 3 by 2 will be your number. Okay, so this is how rational numbers can be represented in a number line. Now let us compare any of the two rational numbers. Okay, suppose the rational number is 3 by 2 and another rational number is 5 by 4, suppose. Okay, the first important step you have to follow before comparing any two rational numbers is equate their denominators. Okay, by using the least common multiple method, you have to equate the denominators of any two fractions. Okay, so what will be the LCM of 2 and 4? 2 1s are 2 2s are. So the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. Okay, now equate the denominators. Okay, 3 by 2, when it is multiplied and divided with 2, the denominator will become 4. Okay, so the resultant will be 6 by 4 and here it will be 5 by 4. Okay, so after equating the denominators, now compare the numerators. Okay, so the numerator of this rational number is 6 and this rational number is 5. Fine. Now which number is greater? 6 is greater. Therefore 6 by 4 is greater than 5 by 4. Okay, this is how the rational numbers are compared. If the denominators are not equal, just equate them by calculating the least common multiple and then directly compare the numerator values. So this is all about the representation of rational numbers on a number line and comparing any two rational numbers. Now let us get into the operations of these rational numbers. How can we add, subtract, divide and multiply any of the two rational numbers? Okay.